back to my channel. Today we are talking about something we all struggle with, focus. Have you ever sat down to study or work and after 5 minutes you are suddenly scrolling with phone, checking messages or watching random videos? Yeah, we have all been there. Let's understand why we lose focus easily and how to fix it. Our brains are overloaded. We woke up and check our phones. We scroll between apps. We keep switching tabs, and our mind never gets time to settle. The truth is, multitasking doesn't make us focus. It just divides our attention. Start small, pick one task, put your phone away, and set a timer for 25 minutes. That's it. One focus flow. You will be shocked at how much you get done. Sometimes we lose focus because we don't even know what we are focusing on. When your goals are blurry, your attention gets scattered. Every morning, write down 3 things you must complete today. Not 10, just 3 minutes. Clear focus make your brain laser focused. If you are mentally or physically tired, your brain simply can't focus, no matter how hard you try. Take care of your sleep, hydration, and short breaks. A 10-minute walk, a cup of tea can do wonders for your brain. You might be thinking about your past mistakes and future worries, but not the task in front of you. When your mind is gently bring it back. Say to yourself, be here now. It's simple but powerful. A messy environment is equal a messy mind. Declutter your desk before you start. Light a candle, put calm music, and create a vibe that says it's time to focus. Losing focus doesn't mean you are lazy or undisciplined. It means your mind needs direction. Train it with small habits, and one day you will realize focus is not hard anymore. It's your normal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comment section what distracts you the most when you are trying